Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. Today is of our signature Egusi soup. If you know you love good soup, gather here. Our meat and cow skin nicely washed. We added some bouillon, some salt, and our pepper mix. At this point, guys, we will not be adding any water at all. We'll be stirring and allow it to cook in its own juice. Yes, I will be covering the pots. Here it is moments later. At this point, I added my stock fish, nicely washed. Next, guys, at this point, I'm beginning to think if the spots will be enough to accommodate the soup. Let's be going. Next, I added our dry fish, and I covered the pots. Yet, I didn't add any water. At this point, guys, you can see I've changed the pots. Yes, because there wasn't any need continuing with the other pots because it was small. I added water. I've added the amount of water I needed to make the soup, and I'll cover and allow the meat to cook properly. When I mean properly, to done. Yes, guys, at this point, we'll be going in with our red oil, palm oil. Next is our melon seed, grinded melon seed. This is melon, this is also, and this is openyi. Most people will want to add achi as thickener, but we used also as our thickener. Yes. Next is the onion, sliced onion. If you're still watching at this point, guys, thank you. If you're new to my page, kindly like, follow, share, and comment. Thank you to all my returning viewers. Yes. Next is our blended crayfish or grinded crayfish rather. Next is our uziza seeds. This will take your soup to another level. Yes, guys. If you haven't been adding this, please give it a try. You will thank me later. And I added a little bouillon because we added some while we were cooking our meat, and some salt to taste. And I'll cover the pot. This is the face of our soup. This is the face of our soup. I'll give it a quick stir. Yes, I'll give it a quick stir and add our vegetables. Yes, I'll just continue to stir until everything is properly combined. Yes, guys, continue to stir. At this point, our soup is ready. 98% ready. We'll cover and allow the vegetable to cook because it's quite strong. Yes, guys, if you've been using your pumpkin leaf, bitter leaf, anything of your choice, it's completely okay. But I chose to add the uziza leaf because I use the seed. This will make your soup or take your soup rather to another level you never imagined. I'll give it a quick stir, guys. Our soup is ready. Look at the face of that soup. More. Forget, I sabi cook Joe. So at this point, we'll be enjoying it with our semo. Yes, semo. Feel free to enjoy with your gari, eba, apple, fufu, anything at all. Thank you for watching. I love you. See you.